Beef stew today. Gonna start off with about 3 pounds of beef stew. Gonna use that W sauce, about a third of a cup, along with some soy sauce, same amount, give and take a little. Follow that up with my own special blend of seasonings in the description box, and some parsley flakes. Sprinkle that all in. Go ahead and mix that all together. Meanwhile, make sure you got a little pot on the stove with a little vegetable oil covering the bottom, heating up. Got to get that ready. Mix that all in. Smells so good already. Go ahead and add that to the pot. I'm going to go ahead and brown it. About 2-3 minutes. I like how that parsley flakes just come off that meat looking good. Went ahead and added a couple slices of jalapeno pepper just for a little heat. Not too much heat, just a little. Not too much heat, just a little. Go ahead and mix that all in. Stir that up. Make sure everything get brown. Gonna mix that all in. Smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Gonna do this for about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes later, I decided to add a cinnamon stick, along with some diced red bell peppers and onions. Now, you can use beef stock. I didn't have any, so I chose to use water. Go ahead and toss that all in. Get that stirred up. Like I said, you can use beef stock if you have it, or even red wine, but I used 3 cups of water. I think that I have enough seasonings in this meat to make everything pair out right. Now, this is going to take a little while to cook. We're cooking it for 2 hours slow. About 1.5 hours in, we're going to add some potatoes and carrots. Go ahead and mix those all in. Make sure everything get covered. Now, make sure you taste your liquid. If you need to add a little bit more seasoning, go ahead and do that. Put that lid back on. I took a little bit of the liquid out and added some cornstarch to make that cornstarch slurry. Added that to the pot. Mix that all in. And turned up the heat to about 7. Put the lid back on. Once I saw that it started boiling, I turned it back down to simmer. And 20 minutes later, look at that. Tender, juicy beef stew with potatoes and carrots. Add a little rice and some cornbread on a Monday. Can't go wrong. Thanks for watching.